Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me. I'm so glad you stopped by. Today we are going to do mini acrylic pours. And I absolutely love acrylic pouring. And if you want to add that color, which I've seen in the comments, so many of you love color. So we're going to give you some color today. I'm using a lot of different apple barrel paints. I'm using the Jot glue from Dollar Tree and the little Dollar Tree cups, shot glasses. The little plastic ones, you get so many for $1. They're great for mixing up these little projects. So I put about a quarter paint in, and then I put a little bit more glue and just kept adding water until it was a creamy consistency. Really, it's so hard to give you exact measurements because if it's runny, add a little bit more glue. If it's not dark enough, add a little bit more paint. You just want to end up with a creamy consistency when you are stirring it and you lift it up. You just want it to roll right off of that little popsicle stick. So like I said, it's kind of hard to tell you exactly how many ounces are in each cup, but you'll see.
Me smile, what is it that you do? My life was great.
See how it just rolls right off? That's what you want. So I mixed up a bunch of different colors, trying to kind of stay within like a little Easter theme. I found the most adorable little canvases at Walmart. They were 97 cents, and there's a rectangular shape and then there's a square shape. And I was like, oh my gosh, I've been wanting to do a mini acrylic pour for so long. And when I came across these canvases, I knew today was the day. So I just grabbed my little canvas and I just started pouring on top of it. If I had like a little disposable thimble, I could have probably done a little flip cup pour, but oh yeah, they have little easels too. How cute is that? But I just started with white. You want like a white base coat, that way your paint will flow. And I put a white base coat on all three of the little canvases I'm going to show you. And then I just started layering the colors and then tilted it. Once I had as much paint on there as I thought I needed, I started tilting it to give it that cool effect that you get from acrylic pouring.
I'll be with you till we grow old. Just tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world.
I did two of the canvases with some bright, vibrant colors, and then the square canvas, I came in with more neutral tones to see what I would get. And I love them both. They both came out so darling. I love it's just so much fun. If you just want to have a relaxing afternoon, grab some paint, mix some glue and water in it, and grab some canvases and just start having fun, because you could use the same paints over and over again and get a different look each time. That's what's so much fun about acrylic pouring. And I've been doing a lot of mini videos lately, and I thought this fit with that theme, because if you want to add a pop of color to your farmhouse decor, putting one of these behind anything on a 3-tiered shelf is just going to add that pop of color that you want. And they're adorable.
Tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do.
So I had some paint left over, and I went in my stash and I grabbed my little mini bottles from Dollar Tree. And I just put some foam in one of those little shot glasses and put a stick in it so that I could have the little mini glass container on it. And I just started adding paint and pouring and letting it really run down each of the sides. If you've watched any of my other videos, I did a video on Christmas. I did a video on acrylic pouring over Easter eggs. You can use your fingers and kind of guide the paint if there's areas of the glass that it's not covering, and kind of get that flow going. And then you just want to set it and forget it and let it keep flowing and let it dry for about 24 hours.
You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added color. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire.
These little mini jars are just so cute, and like I said, I'm using the same colors but getting a different effect every single time. They were a little darker than I would have liked. I wish I would have added more white. So to brighten it up, don't use a lot of dark colors in a row. Use a color, add some white, use a color, add some white, maybe use 2 colors, add some white. It really makes a difference. My bottles turned out just a little darker than I would normally like, but that's okay because they're still adorable. And like I said, these are great for adding a pop of color on a tiered tray or on a shelf or with your other mini decor. They're just really cute little bottles.
You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world
Here's one of my canvases. One of my canvases from Dollar Tree. Just I wanted to show you the size difference, how cute these small little canvases are. And there's the little bottles drying. There's one of my Starbucks bottles to show you the difference in size. They're so cute. I did have a lot of paint in that little shot glass after doing the mini bottle, so I did pour it over that Starbucks bottle, so I didn't waste any paint. And I have a larger little bottle with acrylic pouring on it too. As you can see, there was a lot of paint left over in that little shot glass, but that's the bigger bottle. So cute, so much fun. That'll add a pop of color to my decor as well. So I didn't waste any paint, and I got a lot of pieces out of that, and I was really happy, pretty happy with how they turned out. Like I said, I wish I would have added a little bit more white. They're a little darker than maybe I would have wanted, and by adding white in the mix, you can avoid that.
I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire.
A lot of you love farmhouse decor, but you're like me and you love that color as well. And adding the color to your neutral decor really brings out everything. Here it is on my little mini tray that I made. That little easel is so cute. But you can just play around with it, put it behind bottles. There's all 4 of the bottles I made. You can put bottles next to your existing white bottles. Just have fun with this little mini decor. So I love y'all. I hope you all are having a blessed and wonderful day. And I'll see you again soon, guys. Bye, y'all.
You're